Want to limit comments on Instagram? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, launch open the Instagram app. Now make sure to log into your account. If you want to limit comments, the first thing you want to do is tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you get here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down. Here you will find the option how others can interact with you. Here find the option of comments, select that. Now you have the option who can comment. Go ahead and select post and reels option first. Here, if you select everyone will be able to comment. If you want to limit people, then you can simply select either people you follow or your followers, or people you follow and your followers, or you can simply tap on the off option. In the same way, you can select stories. Now here as well, select people you follow or off to limit comments on Instagram. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.